is my friend Trishna, my Guyanese friend. And she's here actually. I'm going to be doing my first cooking video in person with her. And I'm going to be making for her, well, she's going to be making, I'm going to be giving her the instructions on how to make her favorite snack, kachori. So if you guys would like to see my first cooking lesson, stay tuned. Hi. So I already prepped everything for her and all she has to do, so what you're going to do for me, Trishna, I want you to put all of these ingredients into the food processor. Now we have garlic, onion, scallions, some pimento pepper and hot pepper, and some shadon beni or cilantro.
Okay. What do you want me to start with first?
So just put it any order, it doesn't matter. I'm prepping her to be a wife. Now place the other ingredients.
The bandanya.
So that's the bandanya or the cilantro.
Green onion.
So she calls it green onion and we call it saif or scallions.
Because I'm so American.
Because she's very American.
Onion.
Onions.
I have to press it down. Pepper.
Pepper. Now you guys see where I get my accent from sometimes if I'm around her too much.
Garlic.
And garlic. Good job. Okay, now she's gonna cover it and process it into a fine paste. So Trish, the next step is putting all of the dry ingredients into that channa that we blended. So you have the flour, the baking powder, the salt to taste, turmeric and yeast. So just add all of those ingredients into the bowl.
Turmeric.
Next, mix everything to combine.
It's very easy to mix.
Yeah, it is. She's doing a really good job. Very good. What a good student. And no guys, I'm not planning on giving cooking lessons anytime soon. But I'll just give her some free cooking lessons. If you take a little bit of the mixture and you put it into your hand and you squeeze it and it keeps its shape, that means it has enough flour in there.
Sounds good to me.
So cover the mixture and allow it to sit for 15 minutes. So it's been 15 minutes and now we have to make our kachori. So you're going to take small amounts and put it into your hand.
You want spoon?
You want to scoop it out, or you want to use your hands?
I'll be even.
Hmm?
Okay. Unless you want.
And then once you form it into the bowl, then you'll flatten it out slightly. You like that size or you want it bigger?
Is this good?
Yeah, looks good. Now remember, you don't want it too fat, right? You want it to be a little thin because you want it to cook all the way through. Yep, and then you're going to place it into the hot oil. And you're gonna allow it to fry on medium-low heat until it's nice and golden brown. And you're doing such a good job. So guys, make sure and comment down below and let me know how she's doing. And if you guys think I'm doing a good job at giving lessons, maybe I'll consider it. Now once they start to get color on one side, we'll flip them so the other side gets brown. Okay, now you need to flip them because I can see that they're turning brown on the other side. Just be careful, you don't want to get burned.
Ooh, they're so pretty.
Pretty, right? Just be careful that the oil doesn't burn you. Now you're gonna allow it to cook on that side. So Trish, next step, well that's finished. So you want to take them out, place them on a paper towel, allow them to drain, and then you'll continue making the rest of the kachori and frying. So guys, okay Trish, so now it's time for you to taste it. Make sure it's cooled completely. Now she's using my recipe, so let's see if she likes it. Usually when I make it, she does like it, and when she comes by me, all she wants to eat is kachori.
I broke it, so it should be quick.
Yeah. I can hear that crunch from all the way here.
Yep.
You like it? No, you can make it. You'll make it for me.
Now I can make it for you.
Yeah. And for the boyfriend. So Davie, she has to make this for you.
It tastes really good.
Good. So guys, this was just me teaching Trishna how to make kachori. It was my first cooking class. So did you have a good time?
Yes, you're a great teacher. Oh,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Jinx. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Bye.